I just finished installing my new sink, which came with a wood cutting board. In my previous video, I showed how to properly wash and oil a brand new board, but after it dried, the grain popped up and the surface felt really rough. Way rougher than I expected. Is it ruined? Now, if this happens to you, don't worry, your board isn't ruined. This is actually really common, especially with new boards or boards that get washed for the first time. When the wood absorbs moisture, the grain can rise and give it that scratchy feel. The fix is super simple. All you need is some 220 grit sandpaper. I grabbed this little pack of sanding blocks off Amazon for about $5. I'll put a link in the description. Just take the 220 and sand lightly with the grain. Don't go against it, and you don't need to press very hard. You're basically just knocking down those raised fibers. After about a minute or two of sanding, you'll feel the difference immediately. It goes from rough and scratchy to smooth as butter. You don't need to overthink this part. Just stay with the grain and let the sandpaper do the work. This is one of those simple fixes that makes a huge difference. The board may look the same, but the feel is completely transformed. What you're really doing here is knocking down those raised fibers that stood up after the first wash. Once they're smoothed out, the board stays that way. Once it's smooth again, just wipe off the dust with a towel and reapply a coat of food-grade mineral oil, exactly like I showed you in my previous video. The oil soaks in beautifully on a perfectly sanded surface, and the board goes right back to looking and feeling brand new.